I don't really consider myself one of the founders of Ham Radio Venture Overland, but I guess I am, sort of some aspects. Myself, Todd, KB7RQQ, and Gary, KG5NBA, helped design it. Todd thought of the name, created some decals, and all I did was get an argument with the Brainmeister to get the talk group. Anyway, somebody said something to me today. Kind of turned me off, sick in my stomach. And this is what you see all the time in the ham radio hobby. The guy is on a Shark RF. So apparently because he's on a Shark RF, he's a better ham radio operator than my duplex, jumbo spot, China spot, Pi Star hotspot. And it sounds like the guy who is berating my duplex hotspot knows nothing about them, never operated one. Oh, those things are nothing but a problem. You only run those if you want to fiddle with things every day. Actually, my duplex hotspot's been up and running for months now. I've never updated it, never did anything to it. It just keeps on chugging along. It's shareware, firmware, Pi Star, M0MYW, I can't remember his call sign, over there in the UK, one of the originators of it. It's got a whole bunch of support crews. Shark RF, after a while, ditches their products, no longer supports them. So why pay $250 for my first couple of Shark RFs, the blue ones? The newer ones are $300 and $400 and $500. Why pay that for something that's not going to be supported? But according to this gentleman who berated my hotspot, was having a hard time getting in with his OpenSpot 3, that my duplex hotspot was a problem. Even though he openly admitted that it was his OpenSpot. But anyways, my Pi Star Jumbo Spot hotspot is junk garbage, and nobody in their right mind would run one. You know, I don't get it, man. You know, who cares what you operate on? I don't care if you're on a Baofeng. I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to treat you with decency, common respect, and enjoy a good conversation with you. But I guess there's other people out there that are supercilious or shallow, insecure. They're going to have the latest, greatest of everything. And because you have something that's different, they have to berate you and belittle you. This is a part of ham radio I don't tolerate. I can't tolerate. It sickens me. As such, you know what? I'm just going to take a break from the radio. Will it be 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year? I don't know. I just need a break. Anyway, 7-3, guys. Everyone be safe.